I bought a power bank on eBay that would fit in my pocket and have a large capacity. I have these Leon batteries that I use for this project. With these you can get a 20,000 milliamps power bank. It's a bit confusing when there's nothing to hold the batteries in place. It didn't come with any papers or manual. I have to plan a little how this should go together. I solder wires. Black is minus and red is plus. I put a rubber band around it to keep the batteries in place. Need to perform a bit of spot welding. Small protective stickers on the plus side. Nice. Then soldering the wires to these strips. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up. Somewhere in between, I forgot that I have to come up with something to protect the batteries. For example, a huge amount of tape. Now let's put this together. just tape it the temperature sensor. I put a little extra padding. Then I soldered the wires back into place. I put the wires in place perfectly. Very nice. Some extra cushion. Then, to my dismay, I noticed that the handsome man forgot the strap. Close the lid and hope for the best. The rest of the pieces in place. At first it showed 0, but when I connected into the charger, it then activated. Works great. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice rest of the day.